Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to Biomentor Online Tutorials. Our bodies contain many specialized cells that carry out specific functions. These specialized cells are called differentiated cells. In contrast, a stem cell is undifferentiated, its whole body not yet determined. A stem cell gives rise to multiple cell sites, including more stem cells. Stem cells are play important role in our bodies from embryonic development throughout adult. Development begins when sperm and egg meets. This produces a special kind of stem cell that has potential to grow into human being as well as placenta, which will nurse the embryonic growth. For the first few divisions, all the cells remain undifferentiated. Each one has same potential as a fertilized egg. As development continues, the series of instructions over signals gradually limits each cell potential. Differentiation has begun. 1 week after fertilization, the embryo, now called blastocyst, looks like a hollow ball. Cells around the outside in hollow ball is placenta. A clump of cell is inside, called inner cell mass. From inner cells mass will form all the cells of the body. About 2 weeks after fertilization, cells organize into three layers. Cells signal restricted cell potential. Each layer gives rise to different cell center. A few weeks later, a cell of outer layer or ectoderm have become skin, nervous system, and parts of face or neck. The middle layer or the mesoderm has become muscle, blood vessels, and beginning of bones and connective tissue. The inner layer or endoderm has begun to form for digestive and respiratory tract, glands, and the pancreas. As development continues, cells differentiate to form 250 cell types of the body. Even after birth and into adult, parts of the stem cell remain. These somatic or adult stem cells play an important role in growth and repair. Some stem cells still quietly waiting for the signal to tell to divide. Others are continuously waiting for the repair the cells. Somatic stem cells differ from embryonic stem cells. Under natural conditions, they can give rise to just a few cell types. For example, bone marrow stem cells give rise most of the birth cells. Bone marrow contains massive number of stem cells, but most somatic stem cells sit among large number of differentiated cells. Somatic stem cells has been found in many other tissues including brain, blood vessels, muscles, skin, teeth, heart, gut, and liver.